Hey, hello, welcome everyone to come to our channel. Yes, how was your day? Yeah, today I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. And here I want to share with you some of our product. Yeah, this is our product. And if you're interested about this one, you can follow me. Let's check the details, okay? Yeah, first I will show you the packages. The package is packed with the BCI-NT bags, and on this part they have the label on here. Yes, you can see the first line of the label is the our Shumatt logos, right? And actually, if you want to print with your own logo, you can contact us, and we can we accept the customized services like the logo, the label, and the packaging bag, and so on. Yes, any demand, please, you can contact us, because we will try our best to meet with you satisfied. Okay, and on this part is the QR. It's the product code. The product code is the F00RJ01334, and below the product code is the application inject model number. It's 045120047 and 045120091 and 045120093. Okay, that's all the model numbers. On the red of the label, as you can see, this is a QR code. Okay, and other informations on the label. Okay, I thought it's time to see the inside part. Let's open it to see the inside. Okay. Wow, that's the inside part. Actually, for the inside part, we package with a transparent little bottle, right? For this kind of packages, can be better protect our product during the transportations. And let's open it to see the inside. In the inside part, we package with oil paper, so the oil paper can be better protect the valve assembly. And actually, we not only seal in the whole side, as you can see, but also we seal in the separate part. The separate part is like this one. This is a valve cap. For valve cap, we have different. You can see on the surface of the valve cap, there has a coating and with some curved letters. This is a valve roll. For our valve roll, we have different sizes, we have different lengths. If you want other sizes, you can contact us, because we accept the customized services. Okay. So much for the product introductions. Actually, we have so many model numbers in our channel, right? If you are not familiar with the model numbers, it's okay. Yeah, you can send me the product code. We can have you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Add here about the valve assembly. Caitlin have 3 tips I want to share with you. The first tip is clean it with oil. Yes, for this kind of product, don't clean it with the water. You just clean it with oil. Yeah. And the second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. Yeah. And it can, when you install it, make sure it's in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly after assembly inject body. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Each week we have videos on the Facebook and YouTube account. Yes, if you really like our product, and we can make the friends with each other. I hope we can be the business partners. Actually, we will have our WhatsApp and our YouTube, the Facebook, and the phone connect ways on our at the beginning of the videos or at the end of the videos. Yes, any information welcome you to contact us. Yes, and I thought sometimes we do business, we not only for some profit, right? But also we want to share each other the good stuffs, and we want to be the business partners to support each other. Yeah. Okay. If you want to be business partners with me, and you can contact us. Remember to contact us with the WhatsApp or the Facebook or YouTube. Anyway, if you like to use, yes, welcome you to contact us. Thank you. Okay, so much for today's product introductions. Except that we also supply the injector, nozzle, repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps. Yeah, any items if you are interested, welcome. Contact us. Yeah. Okay, so much for today's product introductions. Love you guys. See you next time. Wish you have a good day. Bye bye.